Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 7.7. Let's look at the first subdivision, integral of x into root of x power 4 minus 1 dx. So here let's make a small substitution, x squared is equal to t. So which means 2x dx is equal to dt. See, remember, we have a x and dx already outside the root. So let's find its value. So x dx is equal to dt divided by 2. So if x squared is t, then x power 4 will be equal to t squared. Now let's make all these substitutions here. So this will become integral of root of t squared minus 1. This x dx I'm replacing as dt divided by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant, take it out. So 1 by 2 integral of root of t squared minus 1 dt. Now we can directly apply in the formula. Let's write out the general formula. Integral of x squared minus a squared dx is equal to x by 2 root of x squared minus a squared minus a squared by 2 log of x plus root of x squared minus a squared plus c. So with this formula, so wherever there are x square or x, I'm going to substitute it with t. Wherever there is a square on comparison, you see it is equal to 1. So let's substitute back in the formula and get the answer, x by 2. So in this case, I'm putting initially as t by 2 root of t squared minus 1 minus a square here is 1 either way. So 1 by 2 log of t plus root of t squared minus 1 plus c. Remember, there is a 1 by 2 here outside. So every term here has to be multiplied by 1 by 2 here. Now let's do the multiplication and I will substitute the t's value with x squared. So this is going to be 1 by 4 x squared root of x power 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 4 log of t is replaced with x squared plus root of x power 4 minus 1 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. The second subdivision, we are going to put a small substitution, log x is equal to t. So let's differentiate. So 1 by x dx is going to be equal to dt. So this dx by x will be actually replaced as dt. Wherever there is log x the whole square, I'm going to put it as t square. So let's make the transformation. So this will become root of t square plus 9 dt. Now there is a formula wherein integral, let's write out the formula. So integral of root of x square plus a square is going to be equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a squared by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a squared plus c. So here I'm going to use that formula. Remember, a square is going to be equal to 9. Wherever there is x, first I'll substitute it with t, then we can make the final transformation. So this will actually become t, so x by t, so this is t by 2 integral root of t squared plus a squared, in this case is 9, plus 9 by 2 log of t plus root of t squared plus 9 plus c. Now I'm going to put back or replace the t with the actual value, which is our transformation is log x. So let's put that. So this is log x by 2, then root of log x the whole squared plus 9 by 2 log of log x plus root of log x the whole squared plus 9 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.